You get me? So Jashii, let me tell you this. And nothing them try with you, you know. But you just be strong. And here we are going again. This is a bagger thing with them call entourage. Lord, that thing. I bet you're part with a million girl, brother.
If you were me, I just want to run out of my eye, dog. If you sit down and reminisce, just wake up in my Airbnb, you can't tell me until they shoot. I have cried tears, dog. Them bench me, dog.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, another man of peace. We set the violence of the streets, living love, unity, and strength. Saying, yes, man, all man, yes, my people, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, and click the bell. You see me? Yeah, man, big up the whole Grenada, you know, Guyana, checking in, you see me? St. Lucia. Yes, man, give thanks to the support. That's it. In this episode, we have MC Nuffy breaks down crying, you see me? And Ruddy Irie sending out a message and a warning, advice to Jashii. So me I say, so we're not going on a long thing, you know. We just want to know, stay tuned and support the platform. And leave a comment in the comment section. That's what I say? Yes, man, we are forward.
I'll make you happy, for the rest of your life you'll be happy, yeah. If you give me the opportunity, I will make it my priority that you're happy. I'm a Rickina, Ken Dialer, I want to lead by 10 miles.
Yes, my people, that song is out on all digital platforms. I want to. You got me and say song by me, you know what I mean? So anybody just go over TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, use up the sound if you can, give some support. Remember, we the artists are nothing without you, the fans. Zine, I am nothing without you, the fans. Lionfoot Irie, you know? Appreciate you all who like and share and stream and subscribe and purchase the song them, you know? Your support is much appreciated and love, you see it? Yes, man. But anyway, hear what Ruddy Irie is saying. You have something positive to say to Jashii.
Yeah, man.
Yes, you know.
Alright, that's right there, you know, people. I make a speech, and the speech is kind of important. You see what I say? Yeah. Kind of important. You have a little artist in Jamaica, you know. You get me where? From start, I've been watching him, you know? And him doing good, but them try for, what do you call it already? Them try to sabotage him. Them try to doing things. You get me? But youth, don't make them drain your energy. The youth named Jahshii. I kind of like the youth. If I'm seeing him jump out, you know. You see me? I'm from here first song, you know. You get me? So Jashii, let me tell you this. And nothing them try with you, you know. But you just be strong. Just be strong, youth. You see what I say? No make nobody drain your energy. And here we are going again. This is a bagger thing with them call entourage. Lord, that thing. I bet you're part with a million girl, brother. Because them saying in every opera, you have a bad one at the bunch. So remember that, Jashii. I arrive, brother, make me kind of arrive for my friend. You see me? Remember, you know, me there at Jamaica last year, you know. Every Sunday night, me there for your ends, you know. Every Sunday night, me there Boom Boom Sunday. Me and Boom Boom turn up. And Bounty Killer. You see me? So, Jashii, hear me. This one Ruddy Irie, hear. Just listen to me. Me don't want to hear a DJ, you know. No pie song. Me don't want to hear DJ them type of song. DJ about, you have all the thing in Jamaica you can talk about. Talk about the road, talk about food, talk about the kids them, talk about them to fix the school them, and more school. You get me? You say, you have all the things to talk about in general. You saw them analyze the little picnic them, and the woman them, all them something you have to talk about. Yeah. Nobody with there entourage and too much man and the strap business. Love that youth. Just listen to me. Listen to me good enough. I bet you if you do 2 of them songs, then nice song, talk about Jamaica and talk it clean. I bet you no man, no artist in your caliber can no move like you go to Europe. Every minute you're there Europe, because them songs they don't want your reality. Them don't want no Honda woman and no pie brother. Them don't want you no gun business brother. And so much show you get youth. So much show every minute. Jashii, Rotterdam, Amsterdam, Belgium, France, Germany, you get me, Switzerland. Jashii, just remember me tell you this. I got the words I go pass. And I go say, Ruddy Irie tell me this, you know. Ruddy Irie say this to me, you know. You see me and say, yo, you go say that one day, Ruddy Irie tell me this, you know. Because Joshua, me tell you, they know say I want a great artist. Them, yo, in a year coming up here, them artists with the monks, you the whole of nice setting and forward. Them not bad like you. How me look for you? Because sometimes I sing some song where it don't make sense. I tell you that, as an artist. You know what I mean? What's something in your way. Great, and a God that go with you. Yeah. Remember I say God a God, you know. So for me to say God, it's better for you, Jashii. Remember me tell you, Jashii. You see from the time when I say Muta Baruka call you and walk up and Tony Rebel show up. Yeah? You remember when Muta said to you, come here and watch everything, you know. I know something in you loyal and good. You want to bless you, Jashii. And you again, because you bounty killer, you are in that studio, you are bounty, I believe you are bounty by Sasam, you know. You see me? You see me I say? So I love that. Jashii, me I beg you. Because I see them try after you know, enough time, you know. Tell her life for you, you know. This and that. Don't want to mess you up, youth. You get me? Me have a true name Bob Marley Billy want a slice of the cake. That means that Jashii, your cake there. No man can take your cake. When God said the cake I feel, your cake, round this up. I feel cake that. You think I can take your cake? Just listen to me, Jashii. Jashii, just listen to me. Remember, alright, I'm a nigga, you know. You see me? That's where they love them. Remember that. Me know the first evening Bounty Killer come and jam in studio, you know. You get me? Me know when Bounty forward a jam in studio. I believe Uncle T, him they do his first song for you know, jam his brother, you know. You see me? You see me I say? So we know what I go on, brother. And Jashii, for you see me I thought this boy you an artist. He was no brethren. Something good in you, Jashii. Don't make them drain your energy and don't follow. Be a leader, youth. You get me? You make sure you soldier them when I move, I go do your show in the country, I go to Negril, I go to Mobi, I go to Wochi, I go to St. Mary, I go to Portland, I go to St. Thomas, brother. You see me? You go to Trillani, Bagua, Maypen, anywhere I go do it, St. Elizabeth, Sab, everywhere. Make sure travel carefully and travel clean.
Yes, man, shout out to Ruddy Irie, you know. Positive, solid message. I like the message and the information to Jashii. Big up Jashii anyway there. You know, Jashii and a fool anyway. You see me street white, street smart youth, you know. Yeah, man, but I don't know. You're never too safe, you know what I mean? Keep your eyes open, and if you need security and entourage, get your registered license security them. You see what I mean? Yes, man, I'm part with the girls. I must say Ruddy, I say you see it. But anyway, let me know what y'all think. Nuffy, MC Nuffy, got emotional. Watch where I go on.
That's why I run out of my eye, dog. If you sit down and reminisce, just wake up in my Airbnb. Kartel, me I tell you the truth. I have cried tears, dog. Them bench me, dog. The man of the stars, them want to see me. The man of the stars, them want to see me. Want to know who is me. Dog, as I want to run out of my youth. You know. Look at these things. You have to talk about it, brother. In my Airbnb, me one in a 3 fucking room. Cartel, you do this youth. You do them thing a youth. Wake up and come in on my Airbnb. My clothes, water run out of my eye youth. See there? My clothes, let me just take out my clothes and right there. So, zeal. And go up in my stairs and me invite some people. Street vibes room, me have inside in my Airbnb. They get to me a deal with. And a drink, brother. Water run out of my eye, youth. Dog, them bench me. Look what you do to my life, youth. Yeah, the stars them wanna see us. Jamaica wanna feel proud of the youth, you know. Me that all I show them, not show them miss me. Me that all I show them. What do this for Nuffy? Yo, you never know it. Yo, dog. Look at the dog. Dog, look at the dog. Never hate the youth. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, youth, that you never know. Look what you do, youth. What me wanna do in a 3 fucking room? Eh? Me not rate you, youth. Youth, remember them bench me. Remember me sit down on the net and me a defend you. All the people saying they not with me and not look for me. And I like me, youth. Look what you do, youth. I'm a master blood clot bedroom this. Airbnb. See my clothes on there, brother. Cartel, look what you do, youth. Look what you do, youth. You have the fucking stars, them wanna see me, want know me. Pass me and I say, you ain't enough for your shit, man. From the Akon, every stars. Look what we do, Jamaica, on a rate youth and name Cartel. I'm the real true king of dancehall. Almost what? With the New York. See? Me see all of the stars, them. When me can name. Everybody, when me stand up right there, so everybody shake me and then I show me love. One time we want to be the star. Where would I love to shake them and we know every show Cartel, every city him go, every rapper, everybody female to male want forward. And come show him love and come be a part of the movements. Jamaica, if you love that youth from prison.
Yeah, man, nah lie. Nuffy, I live the life. Big up Vybz Kartel. All courtesy of Vybz Kartel. You know, Vybz Kartel free up from prison and Nuffy I do. Be sure. Nuffy say one time them lock him out. Nobody now book him. Nobody now use him. You see me, I know say Nuffy always been vouching for Vybz Kartel freedom. So a good look, you know what I mean? Nuffy one in a 3 room to blow. The man that cry, get emotional, let him look. Or him say suffer and struggle now. In all over the world, well, you know, and the shows them amongst some big top rappers and all of them things. But a good look same way. You see, viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think about that. But you know, gratitude is a must, and you know what I mean. I saw you go, man. Nuffy can't believe the life I'm living now. You see me? Vybz Kartel, the man at the moment. Boy, I tell you. Yo, but it's a Jahshii still, you know. It's a Jahshii. You see, let me know what y'all think about that, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. I'm the man of peace. I'm out. Not another word to me. I'm out.
When I said I want you, I meant it.